Go for it.
Okay, I need to get to my car.
Go for it. I'm not blocking you.
Okay, well, I have stuff on the hood I don't want you to get
Okay.
close to. I don't trust you.
I don't trust you either.
So how about you go stand by that sign?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Well, we're doing an investigation right now. I need you to step back.
Nope.
I need you to step back.
No, I'm good.
You're interfering with our investigation.
Go for it.
34. Can we get an extra unit if available? It's dude, just go back by the sign.
How's that?
You can film all you want.
How's this?
Just go stand right by that sign. It's not that hard.
No.
You can zoom in.
No, that's too far.
You can zoom in.
That's
all
too
you
far
want.
back, dude.
Then buy better cameras. So you can zoom in better. Not making enough money on YouTube to buy better cameras, or what? Apparently not, because you can't go that far back and still get a good visual of it.
I'm gonna secure this in the. What's up, Gabriel? Long time no see, man. Hey, I don't mind if you film, Gabriel, but if you would just at
I
least.
feel like
maintain
this is
at
plenty
least-
of space, man.
Okay, no, can I finish?
Yeah,
so
go
at least
for it.
you can maintain this and not get any closer.
Gotcha.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
Cool, thank you.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Like I said, you've been honest with me. I do my investigation one step at a time. Right? So I'm not at the end yet of what I'm going to do. So we'll work through it and we'll make this you have someone coming to the house?
What's going on, everybody? Brandy and Frank. So two cops got this guy pulled over. Apparently there's something on the hood that they didn't want me to see. But yeah, we're out here.
My parents are missionaries.
Debbie, what's up? Dennis. Alright. What's up, Marcy? You got the BAC going? Four cops now, 4 units. It's her night.
What's up, dude?
What's up, her night?